Alright, now you're going to create the optical illusion by creating the curved lines, concave lines, okay, using your pencil. Now, I'm going to use a little bit harder, but you don't want yours to be so hard. You're going to draw very lightly. Mine's going to look hard so you can see it on the camera. So what you're going to do, all the A's, find all the A's, they're going to be similar and the same. All the B's are going to be the same as well. So here we go together. So curved line that's like a rainbow, like that, you're going to keep going and fill the shape up, okay? So you're going to create like a curve, like a rainbow, an arch from one line to the next. You're going to do that, fill it all the way to the edge. Now, you see here the edge here is kind of off. You move it up. So if you still have room, you can start from this side of the line and just kind of go like you're going off the paper and keep going if you still have room. Now you can do that for each, that is A, the same curve line, that same direction. Alright, this one's off. There's not much room, so you're going to start on the edge again, and you just keep on going that curve like you normally would. And see, that's it. Do one more again. Now, you can see it's coming together. You're going to do the same thing for all of A. Continue. There. Now what's left is the B. Now you can go the opposite direction of your curve. Instead of going up like we did these ones, you're going to go upside down like a smiley face. Okay? So see how the direction? It's the opposite direction. Do they have to line up exactly with the others? No. See? Keep going the opposite direction like a smiley face, this one. Now if you come into edge, feel like you're running out of the room, just find one and just kind of go until it upside down. Do the same for each one of B. Fill in all of B. Starting from one edge to the next edge of the paper. One edge to the next. Alright, you're still doing the same kind of curves. Take your time when you're doing this, because you want to make sure you're creating those nice curve lines. Then here again, I'm kind of running out. If you have enough room, you think, just kind of go to the edge, like coming off, like that. Okay? Now, there you go. Isn't that cool? Now, the next part is coloring. Now, what you're going to do is decide right now what colors you're going to use for A and what colors you're going to use for B. All of A is going to be the same color scheme. Color scheme means your plan of colors, whether they're going to be all blue or blue and blue and blue. If you're going to do red, then you do red, 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 red for B. You don't change A and B. Make sure they're all the same to create the illusion that we're going for. So go ahead right now, using color pencils, go ahead, choose either cool colors or warm colors. I suggest doing cool and warm together to create even more illusion, like you can tell the difference, like maybe cool for the A's and a warm maybe for the B's, or you can reverse it. But go ahead and choose what are cool colors. Think of cool colors like anything that reminds you of cold, like the rain or the water or the ocean, okay? Or like in the morning in the grass. Warm colors, things that remind you of fire, okay? Any colors that remind you of fire. So go ahead, make sure you have at least 2 color pencils. Alright, I'm going to use blue. Now, also remembering about complementary colors. Another option you can do is using complementary colors next to each other. For example, when I said blue and orange, those are complementary colors. Yellow and purple, it's complementary colors. Okay, red and green are complementary colors. It creates those colors set next to each other. They kind of create a vibration, like they're moving already. So when you have movement lines and movement colors, it really makes the picture more optical-like. Alright, so let's start with the A's first. And you're going to finish this on your own, but I'm going to let you explain. Starting from 1, you're going to do every other color solid. So go ahead and color in very solid. Make sure you take your time. If you're not quite sure, just go like around the edges. Slowly color around the edges. Okay, and go in the same direction of going up, because it helps make the illusion that it's really moving, and make it solid as you can. See that? It's very solid. See? Now, it doesn't look flat now, but we're going to later on, we're going to add a technique on the side to make it look like it's really popping up. So go ahead, every other line, every other band, you're going to color solid. Take your time, make sure it's really good and solid so you don't have any white space. The less white space and the more solid in color, it looks more bright, and the more neat it will be when you're done. Okay, let me just go see better. Alright, still keep on going. If you have more band, all the way till there's no more bands. Carefully go ahead, take your time, make sure you don't make a mistake. Because, there you go. There you go. Yay! So what you're going to do is with the same color pencils, now this is the trick to make it look like it's popping up, really give it a 3D look. Okay? Very lightly, okay? You're going to keep on going on to the next one. Right? Color all the A's blue. Okay? Now I'm going to skip ahead. You're going to go ahead and first finish all the A's. Okay? When everyone's done, you move on to the B's. And I'm going to color them orange.